Have you ever wondered how to make your website stand out with just a few lines of CSS? Imagine this. Elements smoothly animating as you scroll down the page, each coming to life right before your eyes. Sounds cool, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Check this out. The elements you're seeing are being animated as the page scrolls, with various effects applied to them. And guess what? All of this is achieved with just 3 simple lines of CSS, no need of JavaScript. Let me break it down for you. First, I created a container with a class name scroll and added some elements with class name block inside it. These elements will be animated on scroll. You can see the text and block elements here, each with different sizes and colors, representing various elements of a website. Next, I have added some CSS styling like different background color as well as shadow effect, which makes the block looks even better. After that, I created an animation called Repair, where inside the opacity is initially set to 0, and the scaling is at 0.5. Then, inside I set the opacity and scaling back to 1. This simple animation gives a smooth and polished effect. Now, notice how the animation is happening for all elements at once when the page is reloaded. But that's not what we want. We want the animation to occur individually for each element based on the scroll position. To achieve that, I removed the duration value and used the animation timeline property, setting its value to view. This tells the browser to animate the elements only when they're visible on the screen. But there's still a catch. The animation starts and finishes even before the element reaches the middle of the screen. To fix this, I used the animation range property and set it to entry, which makes the animation happen as soon as the element starts to enter the viewport. Now, you might think, what if I change the entry point to 30% or 70%? Will that fix the issue? Not quite. It'll only delay the animation, making it look off. Instead, I included the cover value in the animation range property. This ensures that the element fully completes the animation by the time it reaches 40% of the viewport. And there you have it! Smooth, responsive animations that make your website pop.